Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome to July. So in today's episode, we're going to give an update of what happened in last month and what's going to be happening this month on the channel. So before we get started on today's video, if you are new to the channel and haven't done this already, please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me, and I'm trying to get to that 2,000 subscriber mark. So would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, and if you want to as well, ding the bell, and every time I upload, you'll get a notification. So let's get into today's video. So for those of you who have seen, I've actually done a little bit of work. I've tried to tidy up as I've been going along. It's failing quite miserably because my garage is such a mess. I've got sort of this space here to work in, and I've got cars and engine stuff and all sorts. So I'm trying to get tidied up, I'm trying to get sorted, and every time I do something, I tend to put something else in its place, and yeah, it's just a bit of a mess. So I do need to sort out this mess once and for all. So I put a new shelf up, so I'm trying to get all my bits and pieces up on the shelf and just trying to make things a little bit more neat and tidy. So that's cleared quite a lot of space on the bench behind you. So let's look at last month first then. So last month I set out on a few tasks to do, and I actually feel like I've achieved all of them. Yeah, all of them. So I wanted to finish the subframe. The subframe has now been completed. Both radius arms rebuilt onto the subframe all built up, and the subframe has been delivered back to the owners. The car is currently in the body shop, getting some panel work, and then we'll be getting some paint as well. But once it's all ready, the subframe will be mounted up onto the car, and it's a bit of a sigh of relief from my point of view that I'm not going to then get chased by the guy from the body shop because it's in his way. So that is a big thing for me. That car's, well, that's done and gone. Last month as well, I managed to put forward my intro competition, and I had such a laugh. Look at this content. Some of the videos were the inside jokes, some of the videos were picking on me, most of them picking on me, some of them were just, you know, interpretations of the intro, and no matter what the video was, I just had such a laugh. Now the intention of these videos were to try and pick up the spirits for the lockdown. Lockdown has now been released, or relieved a little bit, lifted if you will, in quite a lot of places. Wales, we're still on lockdown, but it's still a bit strange. But the video really picked up my spirits, and thank you all to getting involved. So I did say there'll be a prize on offer for the best one, and hopefully I'm not going to disappoint you. The prize I did say was mini related, and it was just something little and a little bit of fun. So here is the prize. This is a classic mini built out of bits of sheet metal and stuff like that. Now I didn't do this. This is a purchased item, and it's actually a bottle holder. So you can get your bottle of pop or bottle of wine or whatever, and have this on display in your kitchen or wherever you want it. In the garage. So it's just a little bit of fun. I'm also going to do some stickers. So the stickers will be going out to the third, second and first place as well. So a good friend of mine over at Classic Mini Workshop, I believe it's his daughter, actually designed a logo. I'll put down here, and yeah, it's just phenomenal. I love it, I really do. So I'm gonna get some stickers made up, and hopefully I'll have them available at a later date. So the stickers will be going to the third, second and first place. Now I put the competition out based on the viewer, you guys at home, which one you preferred the most. So I've got a whiteboard behind me. I have put on the third, second and first, so I'm just going to write on there who's got what. Now I need to obviously go through the comments just to double check, but I'm pretty sure I've got this right, so bear with me. Right, I've checked the results. Now in third place we have, here we go, Mini, Matt, TV. Second place we have Classic Mini DIY. And in first place we have the DJ SE.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's episode we're going to go find some sheep. I know you don't love it like you say you do.
So there we have it. First, second, third. The DJ SE for me, if it had come to a tie, I think he would have pipped it. Apparently I've got an extremely high-pitched girly voice, and so we did that. He did a bit of banter with myself living in Wales, the backwards baseball cap, and then the dance at the end was just the creme de la creme, the cherry on top of the cake, and yeah, well, hats off to you, mate, well done. So I'm going to get this all packaged up, I'm going to get this over to you, and there'll be a sticker in the box as well. So hopefully you enjoy it. I'm hopefully going to try and do a few more bits and pieces like that again. I've got so much stuff in this garage that I think there's some stuff in here that will actually be really beneficial for you guys at home for your minis. So that's one thing ticked off the list. Thank you so much everyone for getting involved with that, and there'll be more to come in the future. So let's move on to July. July for me, for the channel, I don't really have anything planned in the pipeline. I haven't got any jobs in to do. So what it means is that I can get started on the estate, really. I've got to strip the subframes down. I've got to strip the fuel tank out. So the brake lines, fuel lines, everything off the car, making it a bare shell. I have been offered a jig, so I need to go down and collect that from the guy. And I'm hopefully going to try and do that very, very soon. So once they've got the jig, I can lift it up in the air, hopefully move it a little bit closer to the wall, roll it onto its side, and I can start bracing, chopping, etc. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck in with that. Getting time in the garage is very, very difficult for me at the moment. With lockdown, a full-time job, and everything else going on with obviously the children at home and everything, it's just very difficult for me to try and find a spare 2-3 hours. So when I come into the garage, I want to try and get started on a job and not have to stop and start and stop and start. And everything takes a little bit longer when you're doing filming, etc. as well. So I will get started with the estate. I have been saying this now for a long time. And for those of you that are personal friends of mine since before YouTube, yeah, I've been saying that for a long time before then as well. So I will get started. I'm going to hopefully get started on this very, very soon. Who knows, maybe even this coming weekend. I doubt it. So that's something that's definitely going to get done. I've been doing a few bits more of cycling. Really enjoying cycling, really getting out. I'm really enjoying getting out into the countryside and seeing what Wales has to offer. The trail centres are now back open, so a few of my friends and I are going to go and spot some of them. I know a lot of you don't like that content. I know a lot of you are here for the classic car stuff. I know a lot of you here, well, some of you are here for the bike stuff that aren't interested in the classic car content. So I'm going to try my best to sort of mix it up and balance it out, because my channel was set up originally to document things going on in my life. This is something that I'm enjoying and it's something I'm doing, so it's something that I'll be documenting. Hopefully you don't get annoyed with this. If it's something that you're maybe not interested in, don't go away, because there will be stuff coming back up that hopefully you will take your fancy. So my plan is to try and have a nice smooth balance throughout, not upsetting the classic people, not upsetting the bike people, not upsetting the, whatever else. So yeah, just appreciate your patience, and yeah, thank you very much. So the topic of bikes, I do actually have a new bike. It's not new, it's new to me. It belonged to a friend of mine. I've managed to sort of strike a really good deal there, so super happy with that. It has developed a few creaks and squeaks, so I'm hopefully going to try and work out what's going on there. Whether I film it or not, I'm not sure. I am absolutely no bike mechanic whatsoever, but it's all kind of part of the journey, part of the experience, so I may film it, I may not, so if it comes up, great. Things also come up for the channel next month, or this month even. My brown Mini, which is over there, I'm going to get that started, I'm going to get it running, and I've already been on the phone today to the tuners. They're booked in for the 21st of August. That's the earliest possible time they can get me in, so they are super busy, and yeah, that's going to be something really cool. I'm hopefully going to film a lot of that. So I want to get the car out of the garage. There is a bit of damage on it, unfortunately, from moving my estate, which I'm so gutted about. But I'm going to try and sort that. I need to get the interior sorted out, ready for my Snap-on UK calendar shoot. And yeah, that's kind of it really. I'm hoping I can get all this stuff done. I'm sure the month will be gone before we know it, and I'll be here next month probably saying the same things again. Hopefully not though. So just wanted to say thank you so much all for watching. Thank you all for your comments, your likes, sharing the videos. Massive thanks to these guys and all the others that entered the competition. That really, it ticked all the boxes that I wanted to achieve with the video by creating something that I thought would be fun, that people would enjoy, and it would lift the spirits during the lockdown, which massive kudos to you guys. Thank you so much. So the battery's going to die, lights are flashing on now, so I'm going to sign it off here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. It means so much to me, and it really inspires me to keep going and keep plodding on with this content. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take it easy.